Hi, today I will be sharing another ultralight recipe for instant noodles. All meals in this series have a high energy to weight ratio of at least 90 calories per ounce. It will be fast and easy to make with just a few ingredients. All my instant noodle recipes consist of a noodle type, a stock, filler and topping. If you would like to know more about how I create these recipes, you can click the link that will now be appearing on your screen. This recipe is one of my favorites and based on a Vietnamese Phở. The noodles are 1.75 ounces of standard wheat noodles. The stock consists of a couple more ingredients than you are used to by now, but trust me, it will be worth it. Get a small flask and put half a cube of beef broth in, a half tablespoon of olive oil, half a tablespoon of fish sauce, one teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of chili flakes. The filler is a small hand of dried mushrooms and the topping consists of 1 tablespoon of fried onions and a teaspoon of dried cilantro. The noodles will go in a larger Ziploc bag with the filler. The stock is already in a container of its own, but you could have also put it in a Ziploc and burn it shut. Put the topping in a small Ziploc and you're done. When you are ready for lunch, bring 10 ounces of water to a boil with the stock and filler. Add the noodles, wait for 3 minutes and finish it off with the topping. Now that is a great instant Phở. This recipe also combines well with a boiled egg and a few drops of lemon juice. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe for more.